Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I will read a very beautiful story with a beautiful lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the story. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the name of the story and the moral. Let's start the story. A fox, hard pressed by a pack of hounds who had been chasing him over hill and dale, came up to a man who was cutting wood outside his cottage. "Please, kind sir," panted the weary fox, "will you hide me in a corner where I will be safe from the hunter's hounds who wish to kill me?" The man showed him his own heart, and the fox, creeping in, hid himself in a corner. Presently the hunters came up. "Have you seen a fox hereabouts?" he asked. "Why, no," replied the woodman. "I've been chopping wood here all the morning." As he spoke, he pointed with his finger to the very corner of the cottage where the fox was hiding. The hunters, not knowing what he meant, called their dogs and rode away. As soon as the danger was past, the fox sneaked out of the hiding place and would have departed without a word of thanks. "Just a moment there, friend fox," the woodman said. "Is this the way you take leave of your host without even a thank you for saving your life?" "A pretty host," snapped the fox. "If you had been as honest with your finger as you were with your tongue, then I should not have left your roof without bidding you farewell." The name of the story, The Fox and the Woodman. And the moral, there is as much malice in a wink as in a word.